Hey guys, thanks for watching my first vlog. I know a lot of you guys have been looking forward to my vlog, and it's finally here. I kind of did things backwards, so I kind of wanted to jump in between to make it look organized because it's not very organized and you're probably confused. So I thought this is the intro right now. You're experiencing the intro of my video. Um, November 27th, 2011, I had very severe pain in my chest. I felt like it was heartburn, but it wasn't heartburn because it wouldn't go away. I thought maybe I was constipated, but I was able to use the bathroom. I thought, well, maybe I'm having a heart attack, but it was last a day and a half. It was going on and on, so I was like, it can't be a heartburn, it can't be a heart attack, and so that next morning, I went to the ER because I was in severe pain. I hadn't slept the whole night. And after blood work and some tests and an ultrasound, they found out that I had gallstones in my gallbladder. And he recommended that I have it removed because the pace that it was going, he was concerned and thought we need to get that out of me. So I no longer have a gallbladder as of today. But it's a little backstory. From that day, I decided that I wanted to eat healthy, and I didn't know where to start. And so I just started somewhere. I cut out sodas and fast food. Day by day, one day at a time is how I did it. And then, no, December 12th, I got invited to the Biggest Loser finale. That was on December 13th. And I really want to say that my journey started December 12th because I was so inspired by the Biggest Loser family and have given the opportunity to talk to a lot of the Biggest Loser family. I basically it changed my life, and a couple of videos after this you'll really see the impact it had on me. And so yeah, that's the little backstory. Since then, I've lost 30 pounds. As of today is January 9th. So it's a little weird. I didn't make an official intro video about why I wanted to do the vlog and stuff. So I thought I should probably do that first so you guys don't get confused. So this is my intro video. Backstory: I had surgery. Jump started to Biggest Loser finale. Here I am. I thought that if I made a blog and I had a lot of feedback and advice and stuff like that, I'd be held more accountable. And so yeah, this is my first episode. Enjoy!